Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 8th question in exercise 9.1. 4 bad oranges are mixed accidentally with 16 good oranges. Find the probability distribution of the number of bad oranges in a draw of 2 oranges. See, if you're going to pick 2 oranges, there are a possibility both are good, which means there are no bad oranges. So, which means x is going to take the value of 0. Of the 2 oranges picked, one could be bad and another could be good. That means x possible value is 1. Or two oranges that you picked up, both are going to be bad ones. So that means x is equal to 2. We are going to write the distributions in terms of number of bad oranges. So now let's list out the probability and then we can simplify and calculate it. The probability if there is going to be no bad orange means all the oranges that are picked are the good ones. How many are we picking? We are going to actually pick 2 oranges. So this means the favorable outcome is 16C2 divided by total outcome is 20C2. Now for the first case, that is x is equal to 1, you're going to pick 1 bad orange and 1 good orange. So which means it is 4C1 into 16C1 divided by 20C2. For the last case, we are going to pick both as bad oranges, which means it's 4C2 divided by 20C2. Now we are going to work on computing each of these values. So let's calculate 16C2 divided by 20C2. So this is going to be 16 into 15 into 14 factorial divided by 14 factorial into 2. The whole thing divided by 20 into 19 into 18 factorial. The whole thing by 18 factorial into 2. So 18 factorial gone, 14 factorial gone. The 2 and the 2 also goes. So this is 16 into 15 divided by 20 into 19. So in 4 tables, this is going to be 4 times and this is 5 times. This is 1 time. So this is 3 times. So which means it is 12 divided by 19. So this is the outcome for x is equal to 0. Now let's work on this computation. Let's compute 4C1 into 16C1 divided by 20C2. So this is going to be 4 into 16 divided by 20C2. So which is 20 into 19 into 18 factorial by 18 factorial into 2. So 18 factorial and 18 factorial will go. So this is 4 into 16 into 2 divided by 20 into 19. So this is going to be in 4 tables 4 times and this is going to be equal to 5 times. So this is 4 4s are 16, 16 into 2 is 32, so 32 divided by denominator is 19 into 5 which is 95. So the probability of x is equal to 1 is 32 divided by 95. Now let's compute the last one which is 4C2 divided by 20C2. So 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial by 20 into 19 into 18 factorial divided by 18 factorial into 2 factorial. So 18 factorial gone, the 2 factorial and this 2 factorial will go, this 2 factorial and this 2 factorial will vanish. So this is 4 into 3 divided by 20 into 19. This is 1 sir, this is 5 times. So this is nothing but 3 divided by 95. So the probability of x is equal to 2 is 3 divided by 95. So we generated the distribution. X is equal to 1 has a probability of 12 by 19. X is equal to 0 has a probability of 12 by 19. X is equal to 1 has a probability of 32 by 95. X is equal to 2 means it's a probability of 3 by 95. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in next video. Bye.